Having confirmed the snake was dead, impaled by its quills, the porcupine turned and left it alone.